Hey guys, good morning. Happy Monday. Welcome back to school. I hope you guys all had a good night's rest and you're ready to start the day. Wow, I can't believe this is actually happening. Okay, so if you did not do your minute math, I want you to pause this video, go back to your math schedule and click minute math. I want you to try and get those mind muscles moving. You're going to do that for 5 minutes and then come back here. If you have already done your minute math, we're going to go ahead and get started. To do, make sure you have your designated math notebook. All right, let's begin. Yes, you had it coming. So, goal, try to solve the animal. Watch out for your doubles. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video now. Okay. All right. So did everyone finish solving? We're going to go over the answers. What did you get for panda? So we got 5 because 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. All right. What did we get for robo? Because 12 times 10, right? Order of operations, 120 plus another 10, 130. Okay, so we have 7, right? 36 plus 7 equals 43. All right, so for the answer, if you didn't get it, you can pause the video now and then go ahead and try to solve it. So our equation is going to look like 14 plus 5 times 6. Okay, so we're going to start with order of operations. 5 times 6, 30. And then we're going to add 14 to that. So our total is 44. So you don't even need to write any of this stuff. But I do need to know that you guys are taking just some good notes. You don't need to copy everything, but just make sure on your notebook that you have your title. So 9.1, estimating products. Go ahead and put your date. All right, so let's begin. We're going to do a rounding challenge because that's what our lesson is about today, rounding to the nearest dollar. Okay, so again, the rule about rounding, let's look at our first one. We look at our target number, which is in the ones place, and we're going to go to the right, and you're going to say that little that little quote we used to say, 5 or more, raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest. So we look at 7, it is definitely 5 or more. So we're going to raise 12 to 13. So 1278, the nearest dollar is 13. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and flash the next one. You're going to press the space bar or you're going to press pause and you're going to try and answer it before me. And then when you unpause, then you hear me say the answer. Okay? So let's try this one. And I'm going to say the answer, $46. $15. $57. $17. Ooh, 188. 130. 64. 50. Ooh, what'd you guys get for this one? $1,000. Good job, guys. Okay, so let's begin with our lesson. All right, I hope you guys wrote your title. All right, so you do not need to write our goal today, but let's have you guys read it with me. So our goal today is to estimate products of decimal tenths and money amounts using different strategies. All right, so we're going to pretend we're going shopping. And here we have our Awesome Food Basics flyer of October 5th. Okay, so let's just look at this flyer. I know we did this actually in October when we did our Thanksgiving shopping. So you guys are pretty familiar with adding money, figuring out where your decimals go. So that's good. We're just going to bring all that back. Rounding rule again, 5 or more raise the score, 4 or less let it rest. So we're going to start. Miss S went to buy groceries for a party. She wants 12 packs of pork. If one pack is 2 pounds, estimate the cost of one pack of pork. So let's look here. We have to estimate. This is your pork. If you look right there, that like one of those packs is 2 pounds, okay? So the question is asking how much does one pack of pork cost if it is $2.99 per pound? Okay, so let's look at that. We know $2.99. We're going to go ahead and estimate that to the nearest dollar. So $2.99 obviously equals $3. So if it's $3 per pound, what am I going to do to figure out the cost of one pack of pork? So $3 times 2, because it's 2 pounds. So how much would one pack of pork equal? $6. One pack of pork equals $6. Okay, so you see how we got that? So 2 pounds is $3, so 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so for letter B, it says if Miss S wants 12 packs of pork, estimate how much it would cost her. So we already know, one pack of pork, not port, sorry, costs $6. So what am I going to do to figure that out? All right, so let's go ahead and write letter B in our notebook. Oh, sorry. We should go back and do that. So go ahead and write letter A first. Go ahead and do A if you did it. If you did that already, good job, but I didn't. Sorry. Okay, so let's write letter A. So 2.99 equals $3. So let's figure that out. $3 times 2 equals $6. All right. One pack of pork costs $6. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. All right. So you should have this in your notes just so that I can see. All right. Again, just fast forward if you've already done that. Okay. Let's move on to letter B now. So go ahead and write letter B in your notebook. Skip a line. All right. So go ahead and figure this out for 12 packs of pork. So we're gonna do, since we know $6 is one pack, we're gonna go 12 times 6. Write that in your notebook. So what did you guys get for 12 packs of pork? All right, it's $72 because 12 times 6 is 72. Okay, good job, you guys. We're gonna try one more. We're gonna do it by yourselves before I go into what our assignment's gonna look like. Let's try the second one. Okay, so in your notebook, you're gonna write by yourself. Okay, there. This is so interesting. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. Number 2. Miss S still needs one more type of meat for her party. She wants to buy 5 packs of steak. So let's look at the steak. This is our steak. So again, per pound is $5.97. One pack of steak is 3 pounds. It's a big steak. Estimate the cost of one pack. So go ahead and pause the video and try and solve that by yourself. And then when we're done, I'm going to go over how to solve. So pause the video if you need to. Okay, so letter B. Estimate how much it would cost Miss S to buy 5 packs of steak. So go ahead and pause the video and go ahead and write your answer. Okay, and letter C, estimate the total cost of pork and steak. Okay, so we're going to go over the answers for letter A. So one pack of steak is 3 pounds. How much is 1 pack? Okay, so if I know 5.97 is 1 pound, I'm going to estimate that, and that's going to mean it's going to be $6. So if I want to try and figure out 1 pack of steak, if it's $6 per pound, 6 times 3 equals how much? $18. Did you get that? If you got that, put a check mark. If not, go ahead and copy that. 6 times 3 equals 19. All right, that's 1 pack of steak. Now, letter B, estimate how much it would cost for 5 packs of steak. That's so expensive. So I would go 18 times 5. And what did you guys get for 18 times 5? How much money? It's pretty expensive. $90 for 5 packs of good strip loin steak. That's a lot of money. Okay, our final one is estimate the total cost for pork and steak. So if you know that so 12 packs of pork, we got $72. And then our steak was $90. What did you guys get for the total? Good, 162. But if we estimate, it's about 160. All right, good job, you guys. You guys did a great job on that. So if you needed to go back to that, I know this is a little weird that I'm not able to walk around and check your work, but go ahead and play back the video if you need more help, and I can definitely help you guys on the side. If you need help, just message me. Okay, so looking back at our math schedule, so here is grade 6. So we already did number 1. We watched our video. Now we're going to answer the link. So you're going to click the homework, click Nelson 9.1. All right, so it should show here. All right, so this is what your homework's going to look like. In your notebook, you're going to put it right here. Lesson 1, Estimating Products. I'm going to write my title. Lesson 1, Estimating Products. Okay, so I'm just showing you step by step, but our next videos you'll already know what to do. So you're going to type in your name, and you're going to answer this in your notebook. Okay, so always show your work. If you can do it mentally, then go ahead and do that, but I want to make sure that you're showing me how to get these answers. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this. Okay, so I will go over number 1 and 2 with you, and then you guys are going to answer up to number 10 yourself. What's nice about this is you can check your work and see what you got wrong, and then on your notebook you can have the correct answers. All right, so number 1, go ahead and write number 1. Estimate the cost of 3 kilograms of oranges if 1 kilogram cost 2.84. So we're going to take 2.84 and you're going to round to the nearest dollar, just like what we did in our lesson. So 2.84, the nearest dollar, 5 or more, so that's going to be $3. So if it's $3 for a kilogram, what is 3 times 3? $9. So you're going to go ahead and put C. Number 1, 3 times 3, $9. See that? Okay, I'm going to do number 2 with you. Estimate the cost of 5 meters of ribbon if 1 meter costs $1.29. So let's look at that too. It is definitely not 5 or more. It's 4 or less. So let it rest. So we're going to round this, we're going to let it rest. So it's not rounding down. We're just going to keep it at $1. So what's $1 times 5? You don't even have to show your work for this. $5. Nope, 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 nope. Yes, letter D. Okay? So that's all for today, guys. You guys did a great job in your first lesson. Be sure if you did not make your homework sheet and send it to me, make sure you get that done, okay? When you're finished with your homework, go ahead and try this fun resources game. You're going to be estimating as well. It's such a good game because it helps you practice your rounding. And don't forget, again, your homework is not due till Friday. Okay, so we're just gonna let this game load. Okay, I'm gonna answer the first few with you so you get an idea. Estimate the product. Round the first factor, which is this first number, to the nearest 10, then multiply. So let's take 15. Is it closest to 20 or is it 10? What do you guys get? Good, 20, because 5 or more. So 20 times 5, 100. Let's see if we are correct. Nice work. So 30 times 6. So you're going to answer that on your own. All right, guys, great job on your first lesson. Be sure to message me if you need any help. And I look forward to seeing you guys again soon. Good night. Oh, have a good day. Bye, guys.